got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Running her, man.
I've got 6 Platinum 15s on right now, 1 Smart 8. I normally have 2, but amps, it's down, so I'm down to just 1 8K right now. And then my stripper pole, it just broke.
You been cutting up today?
Yeah, a little bit.
okay then. Was it hard getting everything in here?
It was very tight.
It was tight.
Very tight. I still don't know how we got it to work, but it worked.
Yeah, that's all that matters right there.
I never thought it was gonna be possible to get 615s in a car, to be honest with you. Like, at least like this.
Man, that is tight in there.
It's a 1.3 to 1 ratio fourth. It's a 1.3 sealed per sub and a 2.5 ported. With both 8Ks, it does a 60.5 at 32 hertz.
Oh yeah.
And then it also does a 56.2, or no, it's a 56.7 at 22 hertz.
So what kind of amp you say you're running again?
2 Target Smart 8s, but I'm down 1 amp right now. I'm only on 1 amp right now.
And it's still doing good.
Oh my, dude, I'm shocked. I don't think I've ever heard.
Is that the wire low?
No, so I'm wired to. So what I did when I wired all the subs, they're wired at 0.67, and then I seriesed them. I think that's what I did. I seriesed them, and then I jumped them back up to 1.3. So that's what I'm wired at.
Okay, that's how you do it.
For 1 8K, it's not bad.
1 8K.
I'm happy with it.
I got 3 subs. I can't get that much power out of mine, it seems like. I gotta figure out how to wire. I gotta wire it down.
What's that, sir?
We got RCAs on the ground.
Oh yeah, those are my older ones. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I gotta probably wire it down myself. I'm at 1.33 on 3 of them. I don't think at the rise, you know, you never know.
Yeah, I honestly don't know what I'm clamping.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'd imagine I'm at 14.4, so I imagine I'm close to about 7 to 8K. I imagine maybe.
Yeah, that's what all 6 of them, right?
Yes, it's all 6 on 1. I do have plans on the next couple months to do 1 Smart 8 per pair.
Yeah.
And then, I'm gonna probably get away with this. I've shattered 7 windshields so far.
Okay, so you've been running through this thing.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
I've had it playing for about a year. Biggest reason it's not done, I keep shattering stuff and I keep breaking stuff.
Yeah.
That's the biggest reason I haven't finished it
You
yet.
can't even go back here long because it's breaking up here.
Yes, like I've got a bunch of carpet fur that it's like shag purple fur.
Yeah.
And it's gonna go all over this, but I keep shattering windshields every time I turn it on.
So then you end up having to.
Yes, and that's why everything's still not finished yet. You know.
You're gonna end up having to go with a.
Part extreme.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because so far I shatter a windshield a month pretty much. I've shattered 7 so far.
Just regular planing, just.
Yes. Yep. And I don't plane.
You can't even keep this thing here. Keep on breaking on it.
Yeah. At first we had it on the wall and it broke the welds on these, and then I put it here, and now we're just gonna take this and we're just gonna weld it straight to the floor.
Go all the way down.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then possibly just go ahead and get rid of this and just
It
go ahead
didn't
and
seem
do
like it was doing much moving.
No, but I know when I probably had the other AK.
Oh yeah. Once you get out of power in it, yeah.
Oh, let's see. I might have something else for you. So with this being such a low ratio fourth, It plays really, really low.
Are those platinums, right?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Y'all had to make these braces, or you can order them?
I ordered this one from Jim Machine Works.
Okay, Jim. Yeah, okay. That's where you get them at.
Yep, I like it. You know.
Yeah, they look good. They look real good.
I've had to buy 2 so far because my dumb ass, you know, I'm not very clean. Like, don't get me wrong, like I try to make stuff look clean, but like when I'm doing it, I'm very messy.
Oh yeah, that's how I do it. As long as I can make it work good,
Yep,
that's
yep.
all I want. Yeah, that's all I
Hey, that was half knob.
Have you ran the lanes already today?
No, I'm not going to.
You know what's gonna happen. You know what's coming.
Yep, that was half knob at 22 hertz.
It was half?
That's only half knob.
That's crazy. I knew it was getting ready to go. I hope you don't
If
finish.
I was a full tilted, it
would have win.
Yep.
What, you on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Tim Hogan on Facebook. That's about all I do. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. That's from or on Team L3.
Yeah. I with the L3 black and red shirts.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I got them up from one of you guys.
Yes,
over
sir.
here.
You sat in the red truck over
Okay,
here.
he's on team too?
Yep, he's actually the owner of L3 and he's the team leader.
Okay, yeah.
He's
okay.
the one who actually built this.
Awesome. He's the
Yes,
queen
sir.
there.
Yes, sir. He's the mastermind behind it. I'm the one doing all the finish work and all the wiring.
He just make it work, but get it in there. You gotta go do the rest.
Yeah, he's the mastermind.
That thing playing good over there too, man.
Yes, he does amazing work.
Yeah, it look good too. Yeah, man, you gonna, I don't know what you gonna do to keep this in, but
I mean, so far I could play.
I know you don't want to go extreme though, do you?
No, because I like to be able to drive this. You know?
Yeah.
I know.
That's right. You can't drive it with that, can you?
I don't know. From what I've heard, you know, as long as you can use your windshield wipers, you know, you're fine. But I keep hearing mixed reviews.
I've heard that too.
Because, dude, if I do an extreme windshield, I'm pretty sure I'd probably gain a couple dB.
Yeah, you can go all the way then. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure with the 3 AKs, you know, I think this is easily a 62, 63.
I like those ceramic AKs. It's affordable. At least if I blow one, it don't cost me a ton to fix.
See, I'm a little upset though. I just sold my 2 Defcon AKs. I had 2 of those.
Those are Korean boys, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The biggest reason I sold them is I was running 190, and I've got a 350 amp alt on here, and I'm having some voltage issues.
Yeah.
And I wanted to add another bank, and the only way to do that was to downgrade, or to get smaller amps.
Yeah.
And I had to do all that and redo everything in the truck.
Just because you had to go down. You had to run more wire and everything.
Yes, sir. Yep. Show you the trunk and all that.
Yeah. It'll work.
The trunk don't look too bad. It's a lot better than the cab.
Oh, it's all good. The cab keeps getting tore up, so it don't matter. Oh, you got plenty of lithium back here.
Yep, this is the blown neck right here.
You got more room than I thought you would have back here, though. You got a lot of.
It's very tight to get back here to wire.
Oh yeah. You almost got to try to wire up and fit it back in there, don't you?
And I have ADHD and I work ass backwards. Like I started here and worked
Instead of working back.
Yeah.
You got a lot. The C-Max, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got a 90 and a 45. So I'm having voltage issues. So I'm thinking that this bank here, I've got a couple bad cells.
Yeah.
Because with this bank by itself on both my AAKs, I was dropping to 13 volts almost instantly.
Oh yeah.
So there's got to be an issue somewhere. But
you got to break the whole bank down.
Yeah, and these here rest 0.2 volts higher than the rest of these. All of these cells rest at like 3.9 something. This one rests at like 4.1 volts.
Got to be in that end.
So it's got to be somewhere in this part. So.
Yeah. At least you won't have to probably go all the way back.
No, I'm hoping not.
Yeah, man.
Glad to give you a demo, man. I follow you on social media, man.
Credit, man. I'm gonna put the video up and tag. I think I'm friends with you on Facebook.
My name's Tim.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.